Design and display. Premium all-metal unibody design looks and feels impressive. Flat edges means it's not the most comfortable in the hand. 5.5-inch Full HD screen looks good and is great for gaming. The Nokia 6 is crafted from a single block of aluminum, and the result is a phone which feels far more premium than its budget price tag. It doesn't do anything particularly clever or different in terms of design, though, with elements of older Nokia smartphones recognizable here. There's a comforting weight to the handset, and while its 154 by 75.8 by 7.85 mm body makes it a sizable presence in the hand, it's still easy to use. We found the flat sides and sharp corners of the Nokia 6 aren't as comfortable on the palms as phones with rounded edges, like the Nokia 5 and 3, and this is noticeable if you hold it in one hand for an extended period of time. Compared to the Moto G5 and Moto G5 Plus, two of its closest rivals, the Nokia 6 is much better looking. So if style is important to you, then this is a phone you'll want to consider. The power, lock and volume keys are easy to hit on the right of the phone, and Nokia has also included a 3.5mm headphone jack up top, while a micro USB port resides next to a single internal speaker on the base of the handset. Considering the price of the phone, it's nice to see a fingerprint scanner, which doubles as the home key, on the front of the Nokia 6, flanked by touch-sensitive back and multitasking keys. The scanner is responsive and works well, although there is a momentary pause between you presenting your finger and the phone unlocking and waking. Meanwhile, the large 5.5-inch Full HD display is bright and clear with decent viewing angles, and it's more than good enough for a handset in the bracket the Nokia 6 falls into. It means video playback and gaming are comfortable, with plenty of space for on-screen controls.